In this session, you'll take a look at the AutoCAD 2009 window. There are 7 parts to the window: the drawing area, the ribbon panel, the menu browser, the quick access toolbar, the command line, the status bar, and the info center. The drawing area is the most prominent part of the window, and of course it is where you draw and edit your AutoCAD projects. As you begin to draw, this will be the primary focus of your efforts. Let's look at the ribbon and tools next. The ribbon allows AutoCAD to offer nearly all of its tools through a compact graphical interface. The ribbon is divided into several panels, each with a title at the bottom. These ribbon panels are also organized into groups that you can select through a set of tabs across the top of the ribbon. For example, you can find several ribbon panels related to printing on the Output tab of the ribbon. The Home tab offers the most common tools you'll use for drawing and editing. Many of the panels can be expanded to reveal additional tools. To expand a ribbon panel, click on the panel's title bar. For example, you can click on the Draw Ribbon panel title bar to display more drawing tools. The expanded portion of the panel closes automatically after you've selected a tool or moved your cursor away from the panel. Within the panels, the tools are displayed as icons that you click to start an operation. If you hover over a tool, you'll get a brief description of the tool. Hover a little longer and the description expands to display even more information about the tool. Alongside some of the tools, you'll see a small arrowhead. These arrowheads tell you that the tool is actually one of many tools in a flyout. Flyouts are like expanding toolbars that offer a set of related tools. To open a flyout, click the arrowhead. For example, if you click the arrowhead next to the Arc tool, you'll see several different ways that you can draw an arc. You can select the tool from the flyout that best fits the way you want to draw the arc. Whenever you select a flyout option, that selection will become the default tool you'll see in the ribbon panel. Next, let's take a look at the menu browser. You can open the menu browser by clicking the red A in the upper left corner of the AutoCAD window. This opens a panel with a list of options. If you've used an earlier version of AutoCAD, this list should be familiar. It is the same list that used to be the menu bar that ran across the top of the AutoCAD window. Just like a menu bar, you can select options from a cascading list. These options offer many of the same options you'll find in the ribbon. At the bottom of the menu browser, you'll see 3 options: Recent Documents, Open Documents, and Recent Actions. The first 2 options, Recent Documents and Open Documents, are self-explanatory. They will display a list of documents in the portion of the panel to the right. The Recent Actions option displays a list of actions you've taken using the menu browser. This list will not show options that you've used from the ribbon panel or from the keyboard entries. Now take a look at the Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar contains some of the most common tools you'll find in all Windows programs. You can create new files, open existing files, save the current file, print your file, or undo or redo an action. Toward the bottom of the window, you'll see the AutoCAD command window. This window behaves like a chat window that you might use to communicate with your friends on the internet. Only here, you're communicating with AutoCAD. Whenever you use a tool or enter a command, AutoCAD will respond with messages in the command window. This can be especially helpful for new users, because AutoCAD will ask you for information and offer options through this window. At the very bottom is the status bar. This bar is divided into 2 sections. On the left half, you have a set of tools that help you as you draw in the drawing area. Here you can turn on a background grid, turn on tools so that you select exact points in the drawing, or control other tools that help you keep lines straight, or display tools that help you draw accurately. On the right half of the status bar, you'll find tools that help you navigate your drawing, as well as tools that help you control your drawing scale. One more thing. If you need help with an AutoCAD tool or command, you can use the Info Center in the upper right of the AutoCAD window. You can type in a keyword or phrase in the input box to get a list of sources for your query. For example, if you enter "How do I draw a line" in the Info Center input box and click the magnifying glass, you'll get a list of options that will offer information about your query. This wraps up our look at the AutoCAD 2009 window. You can find a more detailed look at AutoCAD 2009 in my book, Mastering AutoCAD 2009 and AutoCAD LT 2009, published by Cybex, a Wiley imprint. Thanks for watching.